What is up? It's your boy Aing here, bringing to you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today we got a fun one. Today we got an exciting one. Today we got a banger. This is single-handedly one of the best mods that I'm gonna do to my Toyota Tacoma for a very, very long time. I have a lot of mods incoming, but I just don't think any are as cool as this for the function that they serve. A dash cam. A dash cam is a must. Now, as you guys know, I made a video recently where I got a dash cam, and that dash cam was good. It's so good that I'm gonna put it in Sandy's vehicle. Now, the only problem I have with it is this wiring. This wiring is not fun. Now, you can definitely get around it. So plug it in, and then you can run it through there, then run it all the way through there, bring it up through there, bring it out through there, bring it all the way over here, and then tie it in there. Now, that's nice. But there's something better. FitCam X dash cam. Shout out to FitCam X for sending out this product. This is the dash cam that I'm gonna be running inside my Toyota Tacoma, and I think you should too. You take this bad boy off. So let's go over what's actually inside. So you take this off. This will record from the back of your truck, so it goes like right up there. You also got the main deal, the main thing that I'm super excited about. You're gonna need to take something off inside. You also have the gear to do that. You have extra connectors that you're gonna need, and inside you got the user manual that I definitely would recommend. fitcam3366@gmail.com. Check it out if you need it, but with this tutorial, I doubt you will. It's super simple. I just don't think you'll need the assistance. So let's go ahead and take this bad boy inside the truck. First things first, got to get rid of the old one. You guys don't understand how good it feels to get rid of this wire. All right, now that you have everything off, I like to lay out everything that I'm going to be using. And next, you have to take off this black cap that's right here. This black thing right here is what you're going to need to take off. So I maybe accidentally forgot to show you guys, but pretty much what I did is I grabbed this, the tool that they provide, and I put it in there, right here. I twisted. You can try, once you have it in there, you can try to pry it up. It doesn't give you enough leverage, so when I went like this, it came right out. Once you have the black cap off, now you got to go after this bad boy. You got to push this in, and then it comes right out with the piece that they gave you. That is going to go right into here, and then that is going to go right into there. Depending on the one that you get, there may be different cables. So as you guys can see, there's one female, and then there's a male. So what happens is you're gonna plug in the male version into the female version right here. That's if you only get the front facing model. But if you get the rear facing model, the one that has the one on the back, this is the little bundle kit that you get. So what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna plug this camera into here. It only goes in one way, you cannot mess it up. Take your time. Once you have that in, then you have this one that's gonna go into this one right here. Then you just run this one all the way to the back. This is for the inside of your truck, which I really like. That way it can just be back there and you forget about it. You don't have to worry about like weatherproofing or anything. But just for the sake of this video, we're just gonna set up this one. You need these clips, so you can just slip them off. It's pretty simple. It's clipped on in two sides, one right here, one right here. Just lift it. It's gonna take two hands. Just put one nail in here and then the other in there, and you should be able to pull it off. Bada boom, bada bing. That, if I can do it, you can do it. They only go in one way, so don't worry about messing anything up. Then you're gonna wanna plug this bad boy into there, and then of course reassemble. So pretty much how this works is these two little clips need to go down and then back up into there. So now go onto your phone, Android or Apple, go ahead and download the FitCam X app. Just hit agree to everything. You're gonna wanna add the camera, but to add the camera, you have to make sure the truck is on. As you guys can see, it is flashing blue. So now it's time to set this bad boy up. So once everything's connected, everything's plugged in, it starts recording right away. If you ever want to check out what's actually on the SD card, you just connect to the camera. It's connected. Then you go to camera file, then it's going to load up all of the stuff on here. So you can see all of this stuff, and it'll even show you which ones you've downloaded. Right there at the top, you see it says downloaded, and you can go through all of this. I'm going to play some video now just so you guys can see the quality of it, and let me know what you guys think. So what do you guys think? I think this is an absolute game changer. I cannot believe that I didn't know about this sooner, but now that I know about it, I just can't go back to a wired dash cam. Now, this thing is so hidden, you really can't even see it. If you look hard enough, you can tell, and once you see it, I guess you can't unsee it. But man, oh man, my camera can't see it, so I guess that's a good thing. This will be linked down below in the comment section as well as in the description if you guys are interested. A big shout out to the company for sending this out and allowing me to review it and show it to you guys. I will be using this in the truck for as long as I can think, and I will even be looking into installing that rear view camera. I definitely recommend getting both the front and the rear. If you had to choose, if you're on a budget, definitely at least get the front. But with that being said, I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, a like, a comment, and a subscription. It's been your boy. I'm Outie like an Outie. I'll see you tomorrow. Cinco de Malo. Peace.